Welcome back, guys and girls. Uh, I'm going to take an example in order to look into another method of finding cube roots. I'm going to take an example from the NCERT publication book for the 8th standard CBSE. Okay. So let us consider the number 857375. Let us consider the number 857375. 857375. Okay. We will have to find the cube root of 857375. Alright. So step 1 to find the cube root is divide this number into sets of 3 numbers. Okay. Or divide the given number into a collection of 3 digits. Alright. So this given number is 857375. So let's start from the unit place, right? Segregate or separate 3 numbers from this given number 857375. Okay. So unit number, from the unit number, let us move leftwards. Okay. You have 5, you have 7, you have 3. Alright. So this 375 becomes one set of 3 digit numbers. And then further you move, you have 7, 5, 8. Okay, 857. So you can divide 857375 into 2 sets of 3 digits. So this is your first step, 857375. We got 2 sets of 3 digits. Okay. So if in the original number you have 3 more numbers, we would be getting 3 sets of 3 digit numbers. Okay. So let us in this example restrict ourselves to these 2 sets of 3 digit numbers. Alright. So you have 857375. Right. Now look into the unit digit of the first set 375. Right. What is the unit digit? It is 5. So we know any cube, right, that has a unit digit 5, its cube root also will have in its unit digit 5. Alright. So that is something that we reviewed in our last video. So hence the cube root of this number 857375 definitely will have in its unit digit 5. So put 5 first, right? So we are actually estimating, right, the cube root of a number. So put 5. Alright. Now you move to the next digit, which is 857. So find the closest cube which is less than 857 and the closest cube which is greater than 857. So what do you get? Alright, 9 cube is 729. Alright, 9 cube is 729. 10 cube is 1000. So 9 cube 729 is less than 857, which again is less than 1000. So 9 cube is less than 857 and it is less than 10 cube. Okay. So we know that the second digit of the cube, right, the first unit digit is 5, right. So 857 is closer to 9 cube. So you put the 10th digit of the cube root as 9. Hence the cube root of the given number 857375 is nothing but 95. Alright. So likewise you can extend to any set of 3 digit number. For example, you have the first 3 digit number, look at its unit place. Alright. Depending on the unit place, you put the unit place of the cube root. You have the second set of 3 digit number. Find the closest cube which is less than this 3 digit number. Alright, I am saying closest cube. There should not be any other cube which is less than the second set of 3 digit number. Here in this case 9 cube is the closest cube, right, which is less than 857. There is no other cube because 10 cube is 1000, which is greater than 857. So take the second set of 3 digit number, find the closest cube, right, which is less than this 3 digit number. Alright, put the cube root of that number as the 10th digit. If you have one more set, again find the closest cube which is less than that 3-digit number, find its cube root, put that into the 100th place. So that will be your cube root, right? This is an easy way of identifying cube roots, okay? Because whenever you have 3-digit number, okay, the cube that will be less than the 3-digit number will be between 1 and 10 only, right? I mean cube root of the cube which is less than the 3-digit number will be between 1 and 10. So that is easier to find, right? Easier to remember, okay? So this way we can find out the cube root of a complex large number, right? Please remember this methodology. It is very easy if you understand. So all you have to do is, if you have a certain number, divide first, starting from the unit place, divide or separate it into 3-digit numbers. If you have 12 numbers, first 3 numbers, unit, 10, 100th place becomes one set. And then you move on to the next 3. It will be the second set. Next 3 will be the third set. And finally, you have 3 numbers, that becomes the 4th set, right? Take the first set. Look at the unit digit, right? Depending on what the unit digit is, you put the unit digit in your cube root. If it is 6, then the unit digit in your cube root will be 6. Put 6. Then you are done with the first set of 3 digits. Go to the next 3 digit. Find the closest cube which is less than this particular number. Okay, if it is 126, then the closest cube which is less than 126 is 125, right? And which is the cube root of 125? 125 is 5 cube. So put 5 in the 10th digit. Move on to the next set of number. Okay, and let us assume the next set of number is a certain number. Find the closest cube which is less than that number, right? Find the cube root, put it in the 100th place, right? Go to the final set of 3-digit number. Repeat the same process, right? Take the cube root of that number and put it here in the 1000th place. So this will be the cube root of this 12-digit number. All right. Okay. So I hope you have understood about this particular session. See, there are only 2 exercises in this, 9.1 and 9.2. Pretty straightforward. Sorry, this is 7.1 and 7.2. Very, very straightforward. You have to basically find, cube root, right? And you will be asked to figure out the unit digit of cubes. There are certain true or false kind of questions. So very, very straightforward, exercises. I'm sure you will be able to, solve those exercises without much effort. All right. So if you have to understand the concepts, again, please go through the videos. If you have any doubts, please email us, right, to askmentorguru@gmail.com. Please email us. We will definitely respond back to you, right? If you have any useful suggestions, useful comments, kindly drop it in the comments area. Right, we take all the comments seriously. We go through the comments that we get for each of the video, and we try incorporating those suggestions into our new set of videos, right? So we are ever grateful to you, for your comments, for the time that you take to go through the video, right? Because these videos, as I said, repeatedly, it is basically being made for the benefit of children, for the benefit of students, for the benefit of parents who wish to teach their children at home, right? So kindly make use of these videos, I really sincerely hope that many people find these videos useful. They use it and they improve in their performance, and they come back and they tell us that mathematics is not very hard. It is simple, and we have scored good marks, right? So I wish that each one of you feel that mathematics is an interesting subject. It is an easy subject, and you all are scoring good marks in mathematics, right? So I wish you good luck. Until I meet you in in the next set of lessons, I say goodbye to you. Right? This is TK Sridhar, an IIT of alumni, an alumni of IIT Mumbai. Right? Trying his level best to share his knowledge. I'm always looking at improvement. Kindly give us suggestions if you feel there are areas of improvement. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you.